Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you this one guys. This website, online video cutter. After you have found this website, you can visit this website and you're going to upload your video here. I'm going to click on open file and then I'm going to select video from my device. Okay, wait, I'm still choosing the video, for example this one guys, and I'm going to click on open. Okay, and then I'm going to remove this watermark. We just need to select the watermark like this, and then we can click on apply. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the watermark has been removed from my video, and if we want to save the result, we can click on the save button and then you can choose the resolution. We have this one and this one. This is for premium user, and then we can click on export. Okay, now it's still processing guys. All right, okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free without blur. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.